You think hydroponics is safe for houseplants. Clean water, no soil, no mess. But one small mistake, and your plant can die faster than in soil. Hello friends. If you love houseplants and you don't want to lose them, subscribe now so you don't miss the next lessons. Hydroponics means growing plants without soil. The roots stay directly in water. Nutrients are added to that water, and the plant absorbs everything faster than in soil. This sounds perfect, and that's why everyone tries it. It looks clean. It looks modern. And social media makes it look easy. But most people do hydroponics the wrong way. They think water alone is enough. They copy what they see, without understanding how roots really work. The biggest mistake is lack of oxygen. Roots need to breathe. Still water slowly suffocates them. Another common mistake is dirty water. Clear water does not mean healthy water. Bacteria grow quietly and attack the roots first. And nutrients. Too much burns the roots. Too little starves the plant. Both lead to sudden collapse. I tested this myself. Same plant. Same light. Same room. The hydroponic plant grew faster at first. It looked stronger. Then growth stopped. Roots turned brown. Leaves fell in just a few days. That moment taught me something important. Hydroponics is powerful, but it is unforgiving. Have you ever tried hydroponics for houseplants? Did it succeed? Or fail? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe for the next part. And share this with a friend. It might save their plant.